Matthias! Matthias, I need the offcuts.
What?
The human tissue. An antique gun, old enough to fill with powder and shot. Don't you see? The propellant and the bullet had to be separate. I remember the history lesson from school. The Austrian army, when they ran out of munition, they packed the chambers of the cannon with debris. A modern bullet, the charge is contained within the casing. He needed a special kind of shot. So he needed an older weapon.
Are you mad? What the hell are you doing?
You see? Strong enough to kill her, yet leaves no traces.